Hey guys, welcome back to Global Motors Arena. In this video, we are going to explain why the Mercury Cougar Eliminator is a great Restomod to take on the Dodge Challenger. The Mercury Cougar Eliminator, a classic muscle car from the 1970s, is a perfect Restomod candidate for those looking for a unique twist on the classic American muscle car. But why exactly is the Mercury Cougar Eliminator a great Restomod to take on the Dodge Challenger? The Dodge Challenger, with its iconic design and powerful performance, has been a staple of the American muscle car scene for decades. But for those looking for something different, the Mercury Cougar Eliminator offers a unique twist on the classic muscle car formula. The Mercury Cougar Eliminator was first introduced in 1969, and was designed to be a high-performance version of the classic Mercury Cougar. With a powerful engine, upgraded suspension and brakes, and a bold design, the Mercury Cougar Eliminator was the perfect muscle car for those who wanted to stand out from the crowd. One of the biggest reasons why the Mercury Cougar Eliminator is a great Restomod candidate is its engine. The classic Eliminator was powered by a high-performance V8 engine, which was capable of producing impressive power and torque. And with modern engine upgrades and tuning, it is possible to take the performance of the Mercury Cougar Eliminator to even greater heights. Another reason why the Mercury Cougar Eliminator is a great Restomod candidate is its suspension and brakes. The classic Eliminator was fitted with upgraded suspension and brakes, which gave it excellent handling and stopping power. And with modern suspension upgrades and performance brakes, it is possible to take the handling and stopping power of the Mercury Cougar Eliminator to even greater levels. In addition to its powerful engine and impressive handling, the Mercury Cougar Eliminator also has a unique and stylish interior. The classic Eliminator was fitted with a range of premium features, such as leather upholstery, high-quality sound system, and advanced instrumentation. And with modern interior upgrades, it is possible to take the luxury and comfort of the Mercury Cougar Eliminator to even greater levels. Finally, the Mercury Cougar Eliminator is a great Restomod candidate because of its bold and stylish design. The classic Eliminator was fitted with a range of distinctive design features, such as a bold front grille, sleek body lines, and aggressive stance. And with modern styling upgrades, it is possible to take the bold and stylish design of the Mercury Cougar Eliminator to even greater levels. So if you're looking for a unique twist on the classic American muscle car, consider the Mercury Cougar Eliminator. With its powerful engine, impressive handling, stylish interior, and bold design, the Mercury Cougar Eliminator is a great Restomod to take on the Dodge Challenger. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next video.